Hi guys, what do we have here? With short size and back, kids haircut. I will show you today in the easiest way how you do it by yourself, how you do it at your home. If you have a kids at the school, if you want to do the haircut, I'll show you how you do it. See, short size and back, number one on the size, short scissors on top. I will do it in an easy way and I will show you how you do it by yourself. Watch me. So first thing we do, we grab number one and we cut only 1 inch. Now we jump to the next number, 1.5, level open, and we shape everything on the sides. Go to the end, but don't go in, up. Next step, number one, level open, and on the middle, shape the middle one. Now with the bag, I will do a taper, just little zero here. Half. The father here asked for very short on top, so I'm gonna grab as much as I can from the top and I will cut it by using my scissors. Just normal haircut for the school. Do it by yourself and save yourself some money. Thanks.
First choice barber.